क्या कोई ऐसा ऑप्शन है जिससे हम इमेज में एडिट कर सके इन?
Yes, we have. Check out at Amit Digital.
Have you ever seen you can edit any part of the image? You can change any object, you can change colors, font style, remove background, remove font. You can do anything with the image. And the best part is most of the people don't know this feature. Today I am going to show you Canva AI tool. It's called Magic Layers. You can do lot of things with this tool. You can remove any object from the image, you can change the background, you can adjust the elements of the image. I will show you step by step. Let's choose this image. After click on image, you will get an option in left panel, Magic Layer. If you will not find this, just click on image and click on edit button. Then you will get the option. After click on Magic Layer, it will take few seconds to convert the complete image into multiple layers. Now let's check. Now you can move the text. You can also move a background of text. You can change font color, remove or edit text, whatever you need. You can move the beer also. You can remove and add new text. Whatever you want, you can do in the image with this tool. I think this is a magic tool for all of us. This is the first AI tool which is giving you lot of features like no one is giving like it. You can also move this. You can remove other element also. You can change background. Also these particles. Let's take one more image and check is it working properly or not. This is a add banner. Now again click on this image, then click on edit option. Now see Magic Layer, click on it. Click on Magic Layer. Then again it will convert your image into multiple layers. Now click on text. Now click on your image. See, you can move this curve. You can change the position of this lady. You can also move the splash. You can add new text or move the text wherever you want. You can remove or edit the text also. I think this is amazing tool. Now one more thing, if you have an image, you can also convert into a video. Let's see in this example how we can convert an image into video. Let's choose another image. Let's again take this. Again click on edit. Then click on Magic Layers. Now you can see it has converted the image into multiple layers. Like beer at another layer. You can see text is at another layer, background is at another layer. All elements of the image are placed at different layers. Now You can also see animation is also working in it. You can change the motion or alignment according to you. Let's change the background of this image. Let's find another background. Click on elements, then click on photos, then find a nature background. Let's take this one, drag this layer at bottom part and remove the previous background, and see the background has also changed. You can do lot of things with this tool. You can remove background, you can edit text, you can create image to video and lot of things. I think this is a fun for all. Thank you friends. Hope you will get something new in this video. Please support my channel. Please like the video, subscribe the channel for more informative videos about digital marketing and all. Thank you.